Setting up users and teams creates the foundation for collaboration in Asana. Teams are made up of individual users, and each user in Asana has a license. Let's start with setting up users as an Asana admin. Provision new users through the Members tab of the admin console. Each user you provision receives an Asana license. There are 3 ways to provision users, and the right method depends on your organization's size and technical infrastructure. Skim provisioning offers the most automated and secure method for larger organizations. It allows super admins to quickly provision and deprovision users in Asana from their identity management provider, like Okta or OneLogin. CSV import provides an efficient way to add multiple users simultaneously. From the Members tab, upload your CSV. There's a template you can download to structure your member information. For smaller organizations or individual editions, manual user provisioning offers a straightforward approach. From the Members tab, invite new users by adding their emails. For those on enterprise plans, view-only licenses are available. Once you add users, choose from 2 license options: enterprise and view-only licenses. In general, users who need to create and edit work should have enterprise licenses. Org-wide admins should monitor usage to ensure effective license use. Admins can pause licenses when needed. When you pause a license, you reduce paid seats by 1 without permanently removing members, preserving the members' data in Asana. Next, let's consider how to set up teams. Teams form the foundation of collaboration in Asana and are made up of users, regardless of license type. Creating teams early helps members enter an organized workspace where they can immediately begin collaborating effectively with clear structure. When creating a team, start with the team name, description, privacy settings, and initial membership. Once you create a team, you can always adjust its settings. Endorsing a team allows you to highlight official teams within your organization. These teams get a blue check mark and help users identify core departmental teams versus temporary teams or subgroups. It's important to note that user and team setup often happen together. You can invite users and add them to teams simultaneously, or add users first and manage their team access later through their profile settings. Regular maintenance is important while managing users and teams. Consider bi-weekly or monthly reviews of inactive users and guest accounts to keep your workspace organized and secure over time.